Time travel has always fascinated humanity. Imagine stepping into a machine and being transported to another era. Could we build time machines and travel to the past or future? From H.G. Wells' The Time Machine to the iconic DeLorean in Back to the Future, we will investigate wormholes, theoretical tunnels connecting points in spacetime. Get ready for a mind-blowing journey as we unravel the mysteries of time travel and its impact on science fiction. Albert Einstein revolutionized our understanding of the universe. He presented his theory of relativity in the 20th century. Before, time was believed to be absolute. Einstein proposed that time is relative. This idea laid the foundation for manipulating time. One of the key concepts of special relativity is that time is not universal, but depends on the observer. The faster you move, the slower time goes for you. In 1971, physicists Haffel and Keating used atomic clocks. They put these clocks on airplanes, and when they compared them to those on the ground, they saw that the clocks that traveled were slower. This experiment confirmed the theory of relativity. Einstein's general relativity goes a step further with the concept of time relative to gravity. The stronger the gravitational field, the slower time will go. This time dilation has incredible implications for understanding the universe. It opens the door to fascinating possibilities like time travel. So far, the theory of relativity revolutionized our understanding of time. This is where wormholes come in. Imagine the universe as a sheet of paper. If we fold the sheet so that 2 points touch, we could travel instantly between them. The theory of wormholes is based on the idea that spacetime can be curved and distorted, creating shortcuts across vast distances. To create a wormhole, a brutal amount of energy would be needed. Some physicists believe that they could exist naturally in the universe, and we could have the key to time travel. Despite the challenges, the search for wormholes has captivated scientists and enthusiasts. Astronomers use state-of-the-art telescopes. Every new discovery brings us closer to understanding spacetime. The twin paradox illustrates how speed affects time according to Einstein's special relativity. Imagine two twins, Astra and Cosmo. Astra travels at a speed close to the speed of light, while Cosmo stays on Earth. Time passes differently for Astra compared to Cosmo due to time dilation. To understand the twin paradox, imagine Astra traveling to a distant star. Her ship accelerates to almost the speed of light. Time slows down for her compared to Cosmo on Earth. Upon returning, Astra would be much younger than Cosmo due to time dilation. The twin paradox may seem contradictory, since one might think that it is Cosmo who is moving at high speed. However, Astra experiences acceleration during her journey, while Cosmo remains in an inertial reference frame. Einstein's general relativity tells us that acceleration and gravity are equivalent. Science offers us clues about manipulating time, while fiction explores time travel without limits. Time travel captivates our imagination. This is gonna blow your mind. One of the most iconic examples of time travel in literature is H.G. Wells' The Time Machine, published in 1895. This novel popularized time travel and explored social and evolutionary themes. Wells envisioned a machine that allowed time travel, witnessing utopian and dystopian futures, and showing how humanity could evolve. Time travel has not remained in books, but has found a perfect place in film and television. From classics like Back to the Future to cult series like Doctor Who, time travel has captivated audiences for decades, inspiring generations of fans and creators alike. Throughout this fascinating journey through the cosmos and the theories that try to decipher it, we have explored the possibilities and paradoxes of time travel. From Einstein's revolutionary view of relativity to enigmatic wormholes, science has given us clues about the malleable nature of time. We have seen how extreme speed and intense gravity can distort the flow of time, opening the door to the possibility that traveling to the future could be possible according to the laws of physics. Exposing the enigma in time travel, the grandfather paradox. We come across one of the most famous and debated paradoxes, the grandfather paradox. Imagine you travel back in time and prevent your grandparents from meeting. If this happens, your parents would never be born, and neither would you. But if you don't exist, how could you have traveled to the past? This paradox questions causality and the flow of time. Some propose multiple timelines or parallel universes. Altering the past would create a new timeline, coexisting with the original. Thus, each change in the past could generate an alternative future. I bet you didn't know about the paradoxes that challenge our understanding of time. The grandfather paradox presents us with a fascinating and complex dilemma. Imagine the paradox of predestination. A traveler goes back in time to prevent a tragic event, but his actions cause that same event. Are our actions predetermined, or does time follow an immutable path? Are you puzzled by the mysteries of time travel? The paradox of predestination makes us think about destiny and whether our actions are inevitable. But there is another, even more complex paradox: the knowledge paradox. Imagine a time traveler going back in time and sharing crucial information. Who would then be the true author of that knowledge? If an idea travels from the future to the past, its origin becomes an endless loop. This paradox forces us to question the very nature of knowledge. Although science cannot yet confirm whether time travel will one day be possible, the fascination with this concept has driven many scientists to explore theories and experiments that challenge our current understanding of physics and time. The search for answers has led us to expand the limits of our knowledge about the universe. Every new discovery and advance in technology allows us to see a little beyond what was previously unknown. And every question we ask ourselves, every hypothesis we formulate, drives us to move forward in this endless search for truth. They bring us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of time and space, revealing secrets that have intrigued humanity for centuries. Science fiction continues to fuel our imaginations, offering us exciting visions of what might be possible if we ever master time travel. Offering us not only entertainment, but also inspiration for the scientists and dreamers of today. Through time travel stories, we explore the ethical and philosophical implications of altering the past, and how our actions could have unintended consequences in the future. These narratives invite us to reflect on the responsibility that comes with the power to change history, and the paradoxes that could arise from interfering with the timeline. The paradoxes of interfering with the timeline are a recurring theme, raising questions about the nature of time and causality, and the infinite possibilities that would open up if we had access to all eras, allowing us to witness historical events firsthand or even change the course of history. Will we ever be able to travel in time? This question has fascinated humanity for centuries. The answer, for now, remains a mystery. Despite technological advances, time travel remains theoretical. The search for that answer has driven scientific research and inspired countless stories. While we cannot yet say for sure whether time travel will be possible, the pursuit of knowledge will continue to guide humanity. Time remains one of the greatest enigmas facing science. Perhaps one day, humanity will unravel the secrets of time travel and embark on adventures that defy our imaginations. Until then, the search for answers will continue, driven by the insatiable curiosity that defines us as a species. If you liked it, please like the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you.